Welcome to Useful AI Hacks. Today, we're diving into Microsoft Copilot, the AI assistant built right into the Microsoft 365 apps you use every day. If you work in an office, sales, marketing, HR, or customer service, these 10 Copilot hacks will help you automate your day and boost your productivity in 2025. Let's start with email automation. Copilot can draft, summarize, and even respond to emails in Outlook, saving you hours every week. Just tell Copilot what you need, and it will generate clear, professional messages instantly. Next, Copilot supercharges your presentations. In PowerPoint, you can ask Copilot to create slides from a simple prompt, generate images, and even suggest layouts and talking points. No more staring at blank slides. Copilot does the heavy lifting for you. In Excel, Copilot is a game changer for data analysis. It can summarize complex spreadsheets, generate charts, and even write formulas for you. Just describe what you want, and Copilot will handle the details, making data insights accessible to everyone. For sales teams, Copilot can help you draft personalized proposals, follow up emails, and even analyze customer data to spot new opportunities. It's like having a virtual sales assistant working around the clock. Marketing teams love Copilot for brainstorming campaign ideas, generating social media posts, and creating eye-catching visuals. With Copilot's image generation and text tools, your team can move from concept to content in minutes. HR professionals use Copilot to automate onboarding documents, generate training materials, and answer employee questions. Copilot can even help schedule interviews and summarize candidate profiles, streamlining the entire hiring process. Customer service teams benefit from Copilot's ability to summarize support tickets, draft responses, and surface relevant knowledge base articles. This means faster, more accurate answers for your customers and less stress for your team. Copilot also integrates with Teams and Word, helping you summarize meeting notes, track action items, and even rewrite documents for clarity and tone. It's your all-in-one productivity partner. One of the coolest features is Copilot's ability to generate images and graphics right inside PowerPoint and Word. Just describe what you need, and Copilot will create visuals to match your content. Finally, Copilot remembers the context of your conversations, so it gets smarter and more helpful the more you use it. Whether you're managing projects, crunching numbers, or communicating with clients, Copilot adapts to your workflow. Ready to see Copilot in action? Review this video again, pausing it for each of the 7 use cases, to copy the prompt from the video clips for real demos, and where to start step-by-step tutorials.
What? What? Oh! Okay.
It suits you.
Thank you. Dude, I am driving! Okay.
Copilot, how about a goat?
Bro! And there's a goat. You made a goat. You made a goat.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more useful AI hacks multiple times a week at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.